Hello guys and welcome. It's Engineering Rebel, and in this video I'm going to be making a mini handheld fan using these materials. So let's begin. I'm going to use this particular DC motor because it's the most compact and it works best for my application. I'm also going to be using this 9-volt battery along with this 9-volt battery connector and a switch. The wires will be held together using my soldering material and my soldering iron. And finally, in order to make the housing, I'm going to use popsicle sticks. Before I make the housing, I'm first going to make the driver using the battery, the switch, and the motor. Well, this is what the driver looks like. So the motor is connected to the switch, and now I'm going to connect it to the battery to see if it actually works. So here's my button. Oh yeah. It works beautifully. So with the push of a button, it turns on. Now, I'm going to start building my housing using my popsicle sticks. Well, it's finally finished, and let's see how it works. So all I have to do is to push this trigger right here. Let's see how it does. Wow, that's actually pretty amazing. Now you could see that it's not perfect, but I wanted to give it that rough DIY look. Let's try it once more. Wow, this is actually impressive. The trigger is literally back here and it falls right on your hands. So it's quite easy to press. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos are to come, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And meanwhile, I'm going to stay here cooling down myself.